Y'all miss me, man. YBF in this motherfucker. Get it, man. Back with another vlog. We got Butter Benz, the Louse man. That nigga got ski on every video. Like, he don't leave without it. Hey, Fly Exterminator.
Oh, I can't say that. I was about to say, you know.
Like, hey.
YBF shit, man. Check the floor. You feel me? We got all type of floors all around, man.
Never. Hey, some people are saying like this Butter, and this the nigga like she telling Butter not to worry about. That's Butter, but that's the nigga she said not to worry about. Mr. YBF, nigga. Come on, it's on the flood, nigga.
Look at him. New whip cutty. New whip cutty. Red guts. Ah, I got the M4 in the middle though.
It's a wrap.
I ain't gonna lie, brother. You gonna have to park over there, bro.
Good front.
Here they come.
Here they come. Here they come.
My partners.
Good F80.
Oh, damn, bruh. Buddy got booted. Buddy got booted from the chat.
Oh, my mama, he better move that shit.
Only YBF shit. Only YBF.
Look at the scooter. Look at Scooter.
YBF center caps.
Check the.
We see the shoes, man. Okay. You need to drop that motherfucker. Yup. What's up, Cuddy? We ain't seen you in a while, man.
I've been down,
What you been on?
.0 gang outside, bro.
We outside. This shit, boy. Damn, J-Win. What we doing?
That's a good one.
It matches the car.
They got drip in this motherfucker. Hey, Laos, I'm thinking you wear these right now. We got the best outlaw here, man.
For real? German aisle.
German aisle.
Get the Hondas out.
Which one is your whip here? Which one is your whip?
It's right here, bro.
Where?
It's me. I had to park next to all the buckets. You feel me? I'm with the homies though. So
You got a new whip every episode.
every episode new whip. Last one was what? That Rari. It was a Rari.
He got so many cars.
Man, and then the other one was a red Rari.
Barber right here.
YBF Blizz. Woo! I'm surprised you parked next to us though.
All these niggas sound like
It's all racist.
Bro, what is going on? What is going on?
Discovery.
right ear. My right ear is fried.
My
right here. They go rap battles.
Was it?
M54 Franco.
Sleeper for sure.
Big one. BMW Airlines.
Nigga, I'm talking about in it.
I hope you don't get on that freeway right there.
Come on now, you might as well give me, come on, I'm the brand ambassador, I'm the cameraman, come on now. Yeah, I'm trying to look for all the niggas I know. I know y'all too, so I'm gonna be looking for y'all next time.
One more. We see some. Damn. YBF shit. Let me see the spread.
YBF G20.
What is it, man? You finna get some food?
What you get, Cuddy? F22, what you get? Same shit?
Carne soda fries.
Every now and then I'm missing. I got my times when I go but she not.
Oh! Oh! Oh shit! Yeah, Webby, Cuddy. Go by. Go by. Shit's still here.
Blast again, you get up on this with nigga. I got plenty of bullets at the him, hit him in his chest.
Flip the camera. I'm surprised security ain't coming. Oh shit. Security. Oh shit.
Man.
Oh, right here behind us.
Property, you can't do filming or any type of donuts like that up here.
Nobody's doing donuts.
I just saw smoke on camera.
Last day with the SI, we finna send her off the right way, man. Caught so many V8s. Caught so many. We got another surprise coming soon. Yeah, so somebody else finna take over this shit.
My boy doing his little intake. Dumbass gotta use intake, doesn't have all the parts. Doesn't have all the parts, so he's like,
Bro, give me a small fill up.
he's trying to fit.
You ready? Yeah, new intake, come on. Let's hear it, let's hear it, let's hear it.
Let's hear it. Get closer, get closer.
Where's the mic? Put it by the filter.
Oh shit.
It rattles.
Do it again, bitch.
Oh, you got a screw. Oh, you got a screw.
Again. Alright, we finna go get some screws. About to put them in. We come back. What we doing, guys?
Copping Laos, some new panties.
You know what you're looking for, dude?
It's like the flat bottoms. You should do the pointy one. Why are you doing that one?
8 or 6.
You're doing a flathead. Do a sharp one. Should we get 1/2 inch? 5/8. You can cop pole here. Go on pole. It reduces noise. Let's go, daddy. Whoa. Hey, daddy, come on. Whoa. It's a Monday. Fuck wrong with him?
You okay, dude? Bro, put that shit in your fucking pocket and run out, you idiot. Why are you paying for that shit, you clown?
I'm scared.
It's scary. He's such a pussy. Look how small that shit. He could just walk out with that.
Choose your payment type.
Slatty.
Technically.
Slatty.
Like, oh, you can see all of it, but I'm so bummed.
Hey, watch out, bro. What's the pin? What's the pin?
No, it's on camera.
What's the pin?
Alright, thank you. Hey, yo, what do you think about that one, brother?
Body lost in this bitch, man.
Say that.
If it doesn't fit, then we could just go into it.
Doesn't fit, I'll beat your ass.
There's only $1.
Try it again.
I need somebody to meet me at the top.
Somebody help me. I told you.
Intake in, let's get it.
Intake in for this stupid kid. That shit is not even in all the way, though.
Intake
Oh,
in.
it's like,
Zach just gave me a great idea.
what is everybody doing to him?
Hey,
at house
I'm gonna
right
make
now?
a,
Like,
I'm
y'all
gonna make
just
a
all
hub
popped up.
video.
Y'all just all popped up.
Tour.
Yeah, no, Maddie came crazy.
DJ, property tour.
Maddie came crazy.
Property tour.
Taking his intake out. Taking the intake out.
Dude, the YBF just showed up out of nowhere.
YBF show out. F32. Got the F32 parked. We got G20. Tell them about G20, bitch. Alright, let's go. What the hell?